Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle.
Touareg V6 Black Edition 3-litre TDI at a whopping 286 PS 4MOTION is currently available in this rare Malbec Red Metallic finish. It looks absolutely remarkable. The car has been used as a demonstrator, so it has just one previous owner, which is ourselves, so you can be rest assured it's been well maintained. With the 21-inch Suzuka black alloy wheels, you also gain access to air suspension as well. Also gain access to an upgraded power folding tow bar with trailer assist as well. And of course, this car has a lot of power behind it. You can also actually access your boot directly from holding the button on your key. This is great if you have your hands filled with shopping, for example. The car offers a large boot space, which does offer access to features such as storing stuff like suitcases and additional storage space underneath there as well, offering a little bit more height. The ISO fixed point in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the center console, and the rear passengers actually gain access to a rear climate control as well for comfort value. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the virtual cockpit. We'll touch on this soon. You can see we have the R-line embroidery on the seats there, and the driver's seat does also have a memory function. You have a panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view, perfect for summer drives. The multifunction steering wheel is very easy to use, and it also offers DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing. On the dashboard display, it shows key information like your driving data, navigation, and your audio. You also have a heated steering wheel with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozy winter experience. And over on that left-hand side, you also have features like the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst traveling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety, and a layer of comfort throughout your everyday travels. This colossal infotainment screen offers a wide array of different options, and as this car is a 4MOTION, you're hosted with a wide array of different driving modes to choose from. For example, snow and off-roading are great for alternative driving, and of course you have features like Eco for a bit more fuel efficiency, and Sport and Comfort for different types of driving. As we go into our parking sensors, here you're greeted with your front and back parking sensors alongside a 360-degree area view camera. What's great about the Touaregs is you can actually create a 3D world where all the cameras stitch themselves together to create this really immersive experience, making it much more easier and safer when parking into tight gaps, for example, a place like shopping centres. The car also hosts heated seats with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozy winter experience. You and your front passenger have this, but one fantastic addition to the Touaregs is you can actually choose where the heat targets, which offers to that overall comfort value. The same can be done for the passenger side as well. You have your heat intensities and also your target areas. As we go into our ambient lighting, the car actually hosts an upgraded option, which is your colour pack. As you can see there, that's where the colours will target, and you get a wide array of different colours to offer a personalised experience whilst travelling.
This video on the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty, alongside 2 years roadside assistance, and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.